is Maryam from Crochet Chillpill, and today we want to learn how to crochet this baby bib. I used two colors of baby yarns. The white one is for edging, 3mm crochet hook, scissors, and yarn needle. So let's get started. To begin, make 17 chains. Now in the third chain from the hook, make 1 half double and 1 single crochet. For the rest of the row, make 1 single crochet in each chain except the last one. In the last chain, make 1 single and 1 half double crochet. Row 2, chain 2 and turn your work. Make a half double crochet in the very first stitch and a single crochet in the same stitch, and make 1 single crochet in each stitch except the last one. In the last stitch, make 1 single and 1 half double crochet. Chain 2 and turn. In the very first stitch, make 1 half double and 1 single crochet. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch across the row, except the last one. Make 1 single and 1 half double crochet in the last stitch. Continue crocheting more rows this way until you have 31 stitches. So now I have my 31 stitches. Chain 1 and turn, and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across the row. Continue making more rows this way until your work is 18 centimeters. It means you should have 31 stitches in each row. So now the bib is 18 centimeters. Now for the next row, chain 1 and turn your work. Make 1 single crochet in first 12 stitches. After that, turn your work and decrease first 2 stitches. If you don't know how to decrease stitches, watch my tutorial, link in description box. And make 1 single crochet in each stitch across the row. At the end of the row, turn your work. You can chain 1 and turn, or don't chain 1 and turn. Again, decrease first 2 stitches. Make 1 single crochet in the rest of stitches. Turn your work and again decrease first 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across the row. Turn your work, decrease first 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. Turn your work, decrease first 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet in each stitch across. At the end of the row, you should have 7 stitches. Chain 1 and turn, and then make 1 single crochet in each stitch across the row. And do this for 6 rows. After finishing those 6 rows, chain 1 and turn, decrease first 2 stitches and make 1 single crochet in next 4 stitches. Here's 2, 3 and 4. In the last stitch, make one single and one half double crochet. Chain 1 and turn, and make one single crochet in each stitch across. At the end of this row, we should have 7 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Now we should decrease our first and last 2 stitches. And make one single crochet in each stitch in between. Chain 1 and turn. And again, decrease first and last 2 stitches and one single crochet in the stitch in between. At the end of this row, we should have 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Chain 1 and turn, and decrease all 3 stitches. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. So this is how our bib looks like so far. For the next side, count 7 stitches from the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Insert your hook into the 8th one. Grab your yarn and attach it here. Grab your yarn and pull it through the stitch. And take the short tail, chain 1, and make one single crochet in the same stitch. Pull the short yarn to tighten it, and then make one single crochet in the rest of 11 stitches. We should have 12 stitches at the end.